Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing another video on Don't Press the Button 4. Since last video got 4 likes and I said I would do another video if the last one got 4 likes. Seems to be my world has glitched out. Here we are. And okay. Just turn that down a bit. Let's get the problem with the audio. Hopefully this fixes it for you guys. Didn't realize that till the end of the video actually. Yeah. Part 3 on this. 6 likes. Hello? Hi? Oh. A portal gun? I want a portal gun. Oh wait, no. Run. I've gotta actually try this. Don't get pulled into it. Hey, I actually survived there. I could jump high, bro. I jump high. Whee! No! It's me, Mario! Oh, I didn't make the top. Oh, no, 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 no! Why am I running up this ramp right now? Yeah, I survived. Nice. This. This test was in the last video. I did very badly in the last video. Looked like one of the first videos was falling in the lava. Yeah, I want to survive. Come on, I can win this. I'm not recording Minecraft right now, Bobby boy. Yeah, he was in the last video. Don't know if he made it. Yeah, but it's like not dying. I'm not sure why. Wait, did I win? No, I won! Yo, I actually won that. I don't want to blow up, but... I blew up in the smithereens. It's my tiny smithereens. Oof. How do you find the correct pad? He is the chosen one! The chosen one. Oh, this is not my favorite one. I don't like this one. Yeah. I'm not sure. Do you guys prefer longer videos or shorter videos? Put in the comments if you prefer shorter videos or like comment if you don't like shorter videos, long videos. But it's like medium ones, like 15 minutes long maybe. Okay. I'm running around crazily. I think this is what we're meant to do. Hopefully I win. comment if you like the color pink. Get to water. Oh wait. Oh, I died. No, I died. Oh. Oof. That was just random. No! I'm rubbish at fights. I'm like not real. I'm pretty good, but like Roblox. I'm playing on my laptop, so yeah. Yeah. This is funny. So I'm gonna place my bets on the green guy. Yeah, the green guy's gonna win. I'm gonna check. Oh. Okay. Oh no, I died. Fuck this round, I'm gonna check the recording again. Try again now. You can tell me editing the videos or not editing the videos, depending on what you say is what's gonna happen. Happening to me. Okay, check. Snowball fight. I like snowballs. Snowball, take a snowball. Yes, haha. Snowball, snowball him, snowball him, snowball him, snowball him. I'm literally gonna die, but I throw some snowballs. I throw snowballs. I am good at. I am immortal. I am the snowball god. Emperor. Oof, I died. Might go up for like a few more minutes and then like video there. 3 minutes long. I hope you guys can hear me now. What's this button here? I want a teddy bear. Get to the bottom. I hope I can do this. There is a wind turbine down there. Oh, I don't want to do turbine. Let's go and play slowly so I'm pretty sure I can get through this. Let's time it right. I won! That's really good. What do I do? I don't really like noises. What? I have a teddy bear. Oh no. Oh, what was that? Bad weather, bad weather, bad weather. My teddy bear will protect me. Teddy bear, use your magic powers and protect me. Oh no. I keep seeing lightning. Oh! My teddy bear did not protect me. One teddy bear. Roll for protection. Protect me from thy explosion of thy bolt. Okay, I just want to think fast. Okay, I did not think fast. Oh, come on, I really got on that one actually. Yeah, my recording for 1 minute. I'm not sure why you like this game so. Find the button. No, I don't like the. Wait, I found it. Like, I found the button. I just press it. Yo, I found the button. Reach the mountain top. Oh, it didn't have a parkour. I'm bad at parkour, guys. No. I might do. If you want to see parkour, just tell me. I'll show you how bad I am actually at parkour. Yeah, that one end well for me. Oh, come on. It didn't even touch me. I did not get touched by this. This is why I do not do parkour that often. Yes. Oh no! Okay, I'm at the top of the mountain. No! The person over there is one of the winners, like Rainbow Friends, obviously. I got further than I did before. There are mines. Oh, that's what a mine is. Oh no. Oh no. I'll do one more round after this and then, yeah, end the video there.
Pizza! Pizza!
Chavez.
Teddy bear!
Chavez.
Pizza! Pizza! Pizza!
I love spending time with you. I love spending time with you. Will you be my friend? I need a hug. I need a hug.
Is that my teddy bear talking?
I need a hug. I love spending time with you. I love spending time with you. I love you. I need a hug.
Pizza!
Let's be friends. I need a hug.
You're having a hug, teddy bear.
I need a hug. Will you be my friend?
Pizza!
Will you be my friend? Let's be friends. I love you.
Okay. Only one winner at the moment.
I need a hug.
You're getting a hug, teddy bear. Knowledge.
Knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge.
I love you.
Oh, I didn't get knowledge hat.
Let's be friends.
Oh no. at least I reached the other side. Why? Can I go back this way? Oh, I understand. Okay, it's really go. Oh. Am I in
I love
heaven?
you.
One more round and then I will get it. Oh no. Okay, so how can we go up to them into free? Video, home, play. Yes, yes. Was Andy and snowball fight? I like snowballs. Snowball, take a snowball. Yes, haha. Snowball, snowball him, snowball him, snowball him. Okay, good. So like my recording was stopped. I don't know if you picked up on that. But yeah, just wanna let you know, 5, I guess like 5, 6 likes and I'll do like a part 2. 6 likes I'll do like a part 2 to this